Or is it the actual
No,
thing?
it's a thing.
Alright, here.
Is there a problem with my burger?
Just a couple of drunk rednecks, that's all.
Well, what's their problem?
Oh, come on now, it's not worth it.
What did they say?
He said the burger.
What did they say, Arlene?
He said the burger might have AIDS.
If Elvis and Wax do not go together.
I know.
He's gay too.
I know.
Oh, fudge.
Oh shit. He's gay too.
Excuse me. Who ordered the hamburger with AIDS?
With AIDS.
With AIDS.
I ordered the hamburger deluxe.
In this restaurant, a hamburger deluxe come with french fries, lettuce, tomato, mayo, and AIDS. Do anybody got a problem with that?
Yeah. I'm an American, and I got a say in who makes my food.
Well, baby, it's too late for that. Faggots been breeding your cows, raising your chickens, even brewing your beer long before I walk my sexy ass up in this motherfucker. Everything on your goddamn
My sexy ass
got AIDS.
You still ain't making me eat no AIDS burger.
AIDS burger.
Well, all you gotta
He's
do
going
is
to
say,
his mouth.
AIDS. Here,
That's what she said too.
eat it.
Silly Lafette. You can't make people eat through their eyes.
Fucking Mike! Do you understand me? Tip your waitress.
That's your AIDS burger.
AIDS burger.
Got your mayonnaise, we got your AIDS.
Yeah. Oh shit, that was funny. Fuck, man. That was.
Alright, I gotta go in like 5 minutes.
Why?
Cause it's freaking late.
You're watching. You're on the spot.com.
Why do you have to go, man? 6 minutes? Fuck, it's only like almost midnight.
Midnight for me.
Midnight for you, it's only almost 11 for me.
Oh god, where's the freaking NPC village? We going around. Shut up, puppy, you're getting no food.
What?
Fucking-
You starving your dogs? I
need-
recorded that.
I need this
Oh
food more than
man.
they do.
I need this dog food more than they do.
Freaking.
I'm just kidding, I'm not recording.
Seriously.
Hope not.